In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Quillbot effectively to reduce plagiarism in your thesis. Paraphrasing. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Quillbot and look for the official site. Once you're on the home page, navigate to the Paraphrasing tool. This is the feature designed to help you rephrase sentences and paragraphs while keeping the original meaning intact, which is essential for academic integrity. From the paraphrasing page, choose the option to upload a document. Select your thesis file from your computer and click Open. A quick tip here: consider working section by section rather than uploading the entire thesis at once. Smaller chunks make it easier to review changes carefully, maintain your voice, and prevent accidental shifts in meaning. Always keep an untouched copy of your original text for reference. Before you paraphrase, pick the mode that fits academic writing. Standard mode provides balanced rewriting and generally keeps your intent clear, making it a solid default for most thesis sections. Fluency mode is great when your sentences are already close to what you want, and you mainly need grammar and readability improvements without heavy changes. If formal mode is available to you, use it for sections that require a more scholarly tone, such as your literature review or methodology. Next, adjust the synonym slider. For thesis work, keep it at a low to medium level. This preserves terminologies and reduces the risk of distorting definitions or claims. Pushing the slider too high can introduce awkward phrasing or subtle meaning shifts that academic readers will notice. Run the paraphrase and then read the output slowly. Compare it to the original, sentence by sentence. Ensure the logic, claims, and references remain accurate. Restore discipline-specific terms if they were replaced by less precise words, and never paraphrase direct quotations. Keep quotes as quotes and cite them properly. Even when paraphrasing, you must cite your sources. Paraphrasing changes the wording, not the ownership of ideas. Finally, don't depend completely on Quillbot. A strong thesis comes from your critical thinking, clear arguments, logical flow, and your own interpretation of the literature. Use the tool to refine clarity and style, not to generate content or mask poor understanding. After paraphrasing, read the section aloud, check that it sounds like you, and make any final edits to align with your supervisor's guidelines and your field's conventions. Follow these steps, and you'll use Quillbot as a responsible assistant, helping reduce similarity while preserving accuracy, originality, and academic integrity.